What's going on, YouTube? Another build day on the motorcycle hauler. So today we're going to concentrate on just framing out the front end. I might get into the sidewalls just a little bit, but we will see how the day goes. Really nice day here today. Don't have to worry about any rain. So let's just get into it. Got to frame around this door, the cut through. I've got to run a small amount of wiring just to kind of prepare myself for later. I might do that today, I might not. It will depend on if I get into the sidewalls. I'm really trying to allow for this door, but this door is going, the roll down door or the roll up door has to be replaced. So I've got something that I'm trying to get this ready for in the next couple weeks. So with that being said, I don't know if the roll-up door is going to be replaced by then. I don't think it's going to be because it has to be ordered and everything. So, you know what? We're just rolling with it, right? I said originally, we're just going to get in here, we're going to figure it out as we go, and that's what we're going to do. So, if you've not been here before, my name's Dirty Mike. This is the Dirtybike the Dirtybike Mike YouTube channel. Building this motorcycle hauler for out of a box truck. So we're going to do a tiny home motorcycle hauler build. This should be the next episode in the series. So hang out. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, like, share, hit the little bell up top, do all that stuff, and we'll go from there. So that being said, let's just get into it. Some of y'all might want to keep in mind, I have zero building skills, no framing skills. This should work out great. Well, I'm definitely glad that I put that insulation on top, because it'd be even hotter in there without it. It's sagging a little bit, but you can tell it's still helping. It's about, well, I don't know how hot it is today, but it feels like it's about 10 degrees hotter in there than it is standing right here in the sun. So, let's keep at it. All right, so a couple of things. Well, wait. All right, I had to make sure I was still recording and the phone hadn't died and all that. So a couple things was box trailers, box trucks, anything you didn't build yourself. Now, like I said, no expert builder, not even an amateur builder. I think at this point I'm just a crappy builder. But nothing is square. Everything's off. So one reason I didn't just build the walls and just lay them up like you do a house is because I can't rely on the box to be square to what I build. So I'm having to piece it together piece by piece. There might be a different way, or I'm sorry, there might be a better way. There is most certainly a different way. I'm sure there is a better way. I don't know one because I've never done this before. So y'all figure it out. Let me know what you got. Comment down in the section and go from there. I'm gonna end this video here because I'm sure I've got enough to kind of let y'all know what I've got going on. This might be a boring video. If it is, let me know. Please, by all means, subscribe, comment, share, like, hit the little notification to let you know when I post new videos, and let's go from there. I appreciate y'all tuning in and clicking on my videos. I hope to see everybody soon. Hopefully I'll have another one to follow next week, or maybe a riding video next week. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna end up at. I'm gonna keep building on this. I'm gonna keep recording for the next video in the series, and everybody go from there. Thank y'all very much. Keep your shiny side up. Get out and explore something. See y'all later.